part, tapos hiningan ko pa sila ng mga message. Kaya pala yung iba medyo matagal nag-stay.
Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi. Bye!
Yo, pre, happy birthday. Papi.
Hi Brian, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best sa mga plans mo. Stay happy and healthy. And God bless bro. And enjoy your day.
Happy birthday bro, happy birthday Brian, happy birthday Salubong.
Birthday, Boss Brian. Enjoy and good luck. Best wishes na agad sa inyo ni Shalene. Bye, boy.
Happy birthday, Tito Brian. Be a good boy.
Good boy!
Hi Brian, happy birthday, enjoy your day. Piliin na natin yung sundowners.
Happy birthday, see you soon.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Brian.
Happy birthday Brian.
Happy birthday, Brian.
We wish you all the best.
And congrats again on your engagement. And good luck sa wedding planning nyo. And we're excited for it. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Bye-bye. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Brian. Happy birthday, Brian. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Brian!
Happy birthday, Tito Brian. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye!
Hi Brian, just wanted to say happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing birthday with all your loved ones. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Kuya Brian!
More birthdays to come.
See you next month.
Kuya Brian, I have birthday wish for you. Kuya Brian, happy birthday to you. I want you to be happy or happiness. And also you are handsome boy this world. And also I won't fight you anymore. Let's just friend forever and more friend forever. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Brian, happy birthday.
Anong wish mo?
Up to you.
Boy.
Happy birthday! Wish ko mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Brian, happy birthday, wish you the best.
Rock and roll. More, ano pa? Brian, more pusoy and more, application.
Naisip mo ba yun?
Siyempre.
More better to come, friends. I'm ready.
Nag-google pa ng ano eh.
Happy birthday sa'yo! Boy! Next bomb!
Paano ko nauso yan?
Happy birthday, Brian! More Pokemons to come.
Uy!
Happy birthday, Next Bomb Brian!
So, dahil awkward nga talaga siya na mag-video ka ng sarili mo. Mag-send ng video greeting. Salamat sa lahat ng nag-send. Birthday, Babu. Tumitingin ako dun. Parang may coding ko gano'n. Love you, I love you. Sana natuwa ka. Ha? I love you. See you next month sa birthday ko. Charot. Sige na.